See the evolution of the SALUS RF thermostats, from simple and functional to refined and advanced. Innovation runs deep in SALUS's core values, as we constantly strive to adapt and meet the ever-changing demands of our customers. The RT500 RF room thermostat, which included innovative features for its time, such as manual address codes and wireless connectivity, was discontinued in 2015 as we transitioned towards more advanced and sophisticated products. The RT510 RF Plus Boiler Plus compliant thermostat guarantees the elimination of dip switches while offering manual and heating boost modes along with a 5-year warranty. With pin-coded landlord settings, maximum and minimum temperature lock, and unique electronic frequency codes, the RT520 RF Open Therm thermostat offers advanced functionalities. The DT500 RF Boiler Plus compliant thermostat provides upgraded capabilities like two-way communication, enabling stronger connectivity and an extended RF range. The DT600 RF Open Therm thermostat is equipped with pin-coded landlord settings, adjustable modulation, a secure RF connection, and two-way communication, ensuring optimal functionality. Featuring a lithium rechargeable battery for power, the WQ610 RF Open Therm thermostat displays information on a .Quad display and connects via Zigbee technology. Want to find out more about our products? Go to saluscontrols.com/gb.